Pizza is a complete food. You can take your proteins, carbohydrates and fats according to your own quota. I'm not talking about the store-bought pizza that is laden with processed cheese and nitrate-rich and chemical-rich meats. I am talking about this heart-healthy and keto-friendly pizza that is made with non-processed cheese and a lot of healthy ingredients. Assalamu alaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma and to make this pizza we need non-processed cheddar cheese. I bought my cheddar cheese from the pharmacy. You can get their link from the description box below and order for yourself also. Right now, in the name of cheese, you might get from the market a mixture of vegetable oils and flavors and chemicals. We don't want that. You might do keto with such rubbish, but your health will be on the burner. I have done a whole video on how to differentiate the real cheese from the fake cheese. Do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right with it so you get these healthy and useful informative videos as soon as they are uploaded. To your cheddar cheese, make some cream cheese and melt it for 90 seconds in microwave. Or you can use a double boiler if you don't want to use microwave. Anyway, we need melted cheese. This we will add to our almond flour. I have also taught how to make almond flour at home in pennies. Otherwise, almond flour that is store bought is quite expensive. Anyway, add an egg, mix it up, and now we need to spread this dough. This dough is called Fathead dough. If you are doing keto, this is a great way to take your fats. Anyway, we first have to bake this pizza crust. I have put this silicone sheet in my baking tray. You don't have to grease your pan because the fathead dough has a lot of cheese in it. That is so oily that it won't stick. Anyway, you have to bake it for about 5 minutes. Don't bake for even a minute more than 5 minutes. We don't need the top blackened, okay? Otherwise, when we'll cook it a second time, it will be burnt. We just need the base golden brown like this. As for the pizza topping, it is your pizza. You can add whatever you like, however much you like. I am adding first of all homemade pizza sauce. The store-bought pizza sauce has a lot of sugar and a lot of chemicals in it. Secondly, I am adding onions. Add white onions if you are doing keto. Then you can add capsicum or you can add mincemeat. And you can add sausages or pepperoni. Make sure that your sausages and pepperoni are nitrate free. And then you can add mushrooms, olives. At the end, you have to add a lot of mozzarella cheese and you have to sprinkle it with a lot of oregano. Now bake it till cheese melts. It took 8 minutes for me. And as you can see, our magnificent pizza is all ready. It is really yummy. As you can see, I made a heart-shaped pizza. In fact, with this dough, I made 2 heart-shaped pizzas. You can make one large round pizza if you want, but I like heart-shaped pizza. It is different and it looks lovely. And anyone for whom you make this heart-shaped pizza, his heart will belong to you forever. As you can see, the crust is crispy and golden brown. Do tell me if you made this pizza. Did you make this pizza in a regular round form or did you make a special heart for special someone? Do tell me in the comment section below. Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.